In this video, I will show you this cool water pump that I got as a gift. Check this out, guys. It has the instruction manual included. Very simple to read and very detailed. You have a string so you can, hook it to the water pump and lay down wherever you need. Out of the box, this is the water pump. It is a very well built, compact design. I really love it, and comes with this adjustable handle. Very convenient. They include a variety of connectors to use it with your hose. That's very cool. You have plenty of options right here. And also, guys, what I like about this pump, comes with a big base. Check this out. Very easy to install, just one click. And now you have to put a valve right here inside. And start with this connector. And you're ready to go, guys. They included this 26-foot long cable. That's pretty cool. Check this out, guys. Plenty of electrical cable. What I like the most about this pump is that it has a powerful 1 horsepower motor that can move up to 5,000 gallons per hour, guys. That's pretty cool. Also comes with the cool features like automatic shut off and on. If the pump detects more than 2.7 inches of water, it's going to start automatically, and also it's going to shut off automatically if the water level goes under 3/4 inch of water, guys. That's pretty cool. You don't need to keep an eye on the pump. Pump is fully automated. That's pretty awesome, guys. And also, guys, the pump comes with this filter on the bottom, separating the debris. That's pretty awesome. And now let's put it to the test and see how it works, guys. Super easy to connect the hose with the adapter that they included. Awesome. Nice. Let's put it in the water now, guys. As you can see, guys, the pump started automatically. Check this out. $5,000 gallons per hour, guys. Check this out. I'm using this pump to empty the kids' playground pool right here. I'm gonna use this water to water my trees right here. Check it out, guys. Super cool. Check this out, guys. Look at that volume of water that's pulling out from the pool, guys. This pump has a nice flow and strong water pressure. Check this out. Once I pull the pump off of the water, the pump is shut off automatically. Another cool feature about this pump is very, very silent for the 1 horsepower powerful motor. That's pretty cool, guys. This pump is very well built, compact, and very versatile. You can use this pump in all water issue scenarios. You can use it on your pool. You can use it in above the ground pool. You can use it in your basement. You can use it with your bucket. Wherever is the situation when you need it, you can use it. That's pretty awesome, guys, and I highly recommend you to give it a try.